and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be cooking Pininyahang Manok or pineapple chicken. And here's our ingredients.
We need chicken, carrots, potato, pineapple, juice of the pineapple, onion, garlic, bell pepper, salt, paprika, fish sauce, soya sauce, and pepper. For the exact measurement, I'll put in the description below. Well, prepare a pan. And when the pan is already hot, put cooking oil or olive oil. When the oil is already hot, put the chicken. We'll fry first the chicken, both sides. When the chicken is already brown, we'll set it aside. Now, we'll add the garlic and the onion. It is your choice if you add oil. For me, I don't add more oil. I don't like a lot of oil in my dish. So the oil from the chicken is enough for me. And now we'll add again the chicken. Add the pineapple and then mix. We'll add the vegetable, potato, and the carrots. We'll add 1/4 cup of water and we'll let it simmer until the vegetable will be cooked. After 20 minutes, our vegetable is already cooked. we'll add the other ingredients. Add bell pepper, add the pineapple juice, then mix it well. Now we'll add the seasoning. We'll add the fish sauce, soy sauce, salt, pepper, and then the paprika. Then mix well. I'll add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make the sauce sticky. Continue mixing until the cornstarch will mix with the sauce. You can observe it's already sticky. It means the cornstarch is already cooked. And our pineapple chicken is ready. It's ready to serve. We'll just transfer this one into a serving bowl and happy eating.
That's all for our video today. I hope you like our pineapple chicken or Pininyahang Manok. And don't forget to like my channel, comment down below, and please subscribe. Until the next video, bye!